I got to ask this question. How do I know what is my recovery email address and my recovery phone number? Or do I have a recovery email address and a recovery phone number on my Google account if I'm using Gmail? Let me show you how to do this. Show you how to figure out what you're doing and how to add a recovery email address or add a recovery phone number if you need to. Well, it starts right here. You got to be logged into your Gmail account. And I'm logged into bcigws@gmail.com. And how do we do this? We click on that B, Manage Google Account. You click on Manage Google Account. Once you're in here, go to Personal Info. In Personal Info, now you can see I'm blocking a lot of it so you can't see it all, but I have 4 email accounts associated with this name. I also have 2 phone numbers associated with this name. Furthermore, and that's worth knowing, I can click on that and anytime I want. I can go to my recovery email, I can click on that, and I can change, like it's going to ask me for my password again, just security. And you can see my recovery email address is tlburris at that email address. Now I can hit the pencil if I want to, and I can change it to a different email address if I want to. I can change it to, and then hit save. I'm changing it to just a Gmail account. Now it's sent a code to that Gmail account. I have to go get that code. Let me go do that. It's on my mobile phone. I think it's this one, 782651. And I just changed my recovery email address on this email account, bcigws@gmail.com, and I'm using a different Gmail account. So let's go back. Now, what if I want to change my phone numbers? Let's click on phone numbers. So you can see I have 2 phone numbers associated with this account. They're both verified. Now, what if I want to change one of these phone numbers? I click on one of them right here, and there's a pencil. Your number can be used to deliver important information, help you sign in, and more. I can hit the pencil, and I can change that phone number. I have to update number, and I type in a different phone number. Hit next, and then I got to type in the number, and I can type in a different phone number. Now, when I hit next, it's going to want to send a text message to that phone number to validate that I have access to that phone number. If you don't have access to the phone number, you don't even want to try to do this. Make sure you're doing the right thing. Now, I'm not going to use it. I'm not going to get the code, and therefore I'm not going to change it. Now, that's phone number. This is where I can change the phone number for this account for predominantly to help me sign in, i.e. recovery phone number. And right here it says account security and password reset. That's enabled. I can also turn on, get messages from Google if I want, and I can also do better ads in Google search if I want, but I don't want that. Come back. And again, that's where I change the personal information, the email addresses, and the phone numbers associated with this account. You'll be able to see down here the recovery phone number, the 2-step verification phone number, and recovery email address, and the backup code. You want to make sure you make a copy of those backup codes, and all that is under security and sign-in. Again, this is all about helping you look at your Gmail account or your Google Workspace account and understand what's the phone number and what's the email addresses that are associated with this Google account that can help me with recovery in the event I can't remember my password or I can't get into my account. Hey, I'm Teddy. I'm all about Google Workspace and Gmail. I hope this is helpful for you.